National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for north central Hancock County in north central Iowa, southeastern Winnebago County in north central Iowa, until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Crystal Lake, or 5 miles west of Forest City, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Forest City, Thompson, and Leland. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Hancock, and Winnebago.